Let's go ahead and cover the prerequisites for this course. Understanding of the Swift programming language is actually required. This course is not really teaching you about the Swift programming language. This course is more about how you can consume and how you can decode and encode JSON by using the new capabilities of the Swift programming language. So make sure that you understand Swift programming language and make sure that you know, at least at the beginner level, the Swift programming language. Knowledge of JSON structure is also necessary. This course is not going to explain you what JSON is and how JSON is different from XML and SOAP and all that stuff. This course is about using Swift and the new features of Swift to consume, to encode, to decode from and to JSON. We will be spending a lot of time in Xcode. Actually, the whole course is in Xcode because we are just trying to find out different ways of encoding and decoding JSON. So there's not really any user interface throughout the whole course. It's basically just in playgrounds where you will have some JSON hard-coded and you will consume, decode, encode JSON using the new features of the Swift programming language.